Today you look very happy. What's wrong with you?
How can I not be happy? I just got information that I won the Pacific Olympiad.
Really? This is very good now.
Wow, congratulations on your victory in Tania.
Congratulations for you, Intania. I'm proud of your achievements.
Wow, that means we are treated to a meal for your achievements in Tania.
Yes, Fitria.
Congratulations, Intania. It's not in vain that you study until midnight, and the results are very satisfying.
Thank you, everyone.
By the way, your necklace is beautiful and it's sweet. You're very well, Esther. Where did you buy it?
Yes, Esther, so I went to buy it.
I bought it at Mataram Jewelry Shop. I bought it with my mother.
Your mother bought it. Your mom has good taste.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. I'm flattered by all of your compliments.
By the way, Fitria, so does I nice?
Yes, where did you get it, Fitria?
Thank you for the compliment. This is a dress from my aunt.
Your aunt is keen to give you corn.
Yes,